We got our place to say about the thing with the stuff in the guy.
Hey, Tony and Corey here, your Parr Weekend Warriors. We're back at the beach, and we've been working on this door. We just replaced all the other weather stripping on this door in a previous video, so you should go check that out. But now we've turned our attention to the sill. It looks like over the years, the sill has been adjusted up as the sweep has been worn down. Over the years of doors opening and closing, that rubber sweep just wears itself down, and you can adjust the sill up to meet that and make it tight again. Well, this sweep on this door is shot.
Toast. We actually got a sweep that's a little bit more durable than the one that's on there now. It'll last a long time. But when we put it on, we'll have to adjust the sill to meet the bottom of the new sweep so that they're working properly together.
To do this job, we're gonna need 3 tools. A Phillips head screwdriver, because we actually have to take this door off the hinges so we can take off the sweep on the bottom of the door. Then we're gonna need a flathead screwdriver to adjust the sill. And we're actually gonna need one more tool. What is that, Tony?
We need a $100 bill.
Ooh, thank you. We'll show you how that works later. All right, as you can see, this sweep has seen better days. It isn't doing much work there anymore. And you can see it's screwed on, so we're gonna take that off and we're gonna put on the new one. The new sweep that we bought is 36 inches long. This door is a 3068 door, and we measured it, and it's 35 3/4. So we actually need to cut our piece of weather stripping down about 1/4 inch. So we're gonna take this off, get that piece cut, and get it attached to the door, and then we'll put the door back up. We got this cut down. We actually chose this weather stripping that is a compression fit. So it just snaps over the bottom of the door.
No adhesive, no fastener. It's gonna go on, it's gonna stay on.
All right, so let's get this popped on. We'll get the door put back on.
Yep. That is a tight fit.
Sweet. All right, fantastic.
There, you can get a look at that. That is a nice tight fit.
Okay, we've got the door sweep all installed. We've got the door back up on the hinges. Now we just need to adjust the sill. Now this trick only applies if you have an adjustable sill. And you'll know it because it'll have screws at the bottom. In this case, it's a flathead, so we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver. And then you can screw them up and down. So since we have a brand new sweep, we're gonna adjust that down. But we're also gonna need the bill Tony gave me earlier.
Is that what I gave you? Okay, here's how this works. You lay the bill down and you're gonna close the door over top of the bill, right on top of that sill. Now, if you had the optimal connection between your sweep and your sill, you would be able to pretty easily pull this dollar out without tearing it, but with some tension. This is pretty tight. That will mash the sweep and cause it to wear out prematurely. You don't want that. You want just the right connection. So we're gonna lower the sill adjustment to soften up that connection between the sweep and the sill.
We're gonna use the flathead screwdriver.
We have lowered down the sill. It's kind of hard to tell how far down it's going as you turn those adjustments, but we're gonna just test it. We're gonna test it in 3 different spots. Out here first, then in the middle, then at the other side. I felt like that was better. It was definitely better, not so tight. Better, still maybe a little tight. Let's check this third one.
Lower it down a little bit.
That's much better. That felt like that came out much easier. Still have really good tension there, but not so much that you feel like the sweep is going to be getting worn out every time you open and close the door. That's tight again, tighter in that spot. Yeah, that's much better. Much better. There you go. That's it. We've worked this door over completely. It is currently now very well weather stripped and performing the way that it should. And honestly, it was very simple and not very expensive. I hope that tip was worth $1.
I think it was. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our social channels right here.
Our podcast channels here, or tune into the Weekend Warriors radio show every weekend across the Pacific Northwest.
This has been another episode of your Parr Weekend Warriors.
We'll see you next time.
Get this done so we can go eat sandwiches.
Go Gadget tools. Go Gadget hands. Go Gadget brain. And remember, it doesn't have to be expensive. Mostly it costs just your time.